The 2026 Silver Heist, How Global Elites Engineered the Greatest Market Crash in History. The Global Crisis, the China Strategic Resource Ban. On January 1, 2026, the global supply chain was fractured. China, the world's second-largest silver producer, officially reclassified silver from an ordinary commodity to a strategic material. The export curb. Beijing implemented a strict licensing framework for 44 companies, effectively cutting off the Western world from its primary supply of physical silver. The deficit. With a projected 168 million ounce deficit for 2026, the industrial world, led by Tesla, Microsoft, and global defense contractors, faced a complete shutdown of EV and AI hardware production. 2. The engineered flash sale, buying the deep. Why did silver crash by 36% in a single day on Friday? Our investigation suggests a coordinated, engineered liquidation. The objective. Major industrial giants like Tesla and Microsoft needed to fill their physical vaults before the China ban suffocated production. The method. By flooding the paper market with short contracts and utilizing weak dollar policy triggers from the Trump administration, the price was artificially suppressed. The result. While retail investors panicked and sold at the bottom, institutional, big money, executed massive physical delivery buy orders at the lowest rates in years. 3. The Epstein Fallout, 3 million pages of chaos. The timing of the Epstein files release on January 30, 2026, was no coincidence. It served as the ultimate distraction and a tool to crash institutional trust. The names. The 3 million pages mention high-profile communications and associations involving Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Britain's Prince Andrew, and even Donald Trump. Institutional collapse. The files reveal deeper connections than ever before, causing the US dollar index, DXY, to plummet to a 4-year low. As trust in the system dies, capital is forced into hard assets like gold and silver. IV. The Middle East powder keg, Gaza and Iran. While the markets were reeling, the geopolitical situation exploded. Israel's deadly strike. On February 1, 2026, Israeli airstrikes killed 32 people in Gaza, including women and children, targeting police stations and displacement tents. This is the deadliest breach of the October ceasefire to date. Iran's Strait of Hormuz blockade. Simultaneously, the IRGC has launched live-fire naval drills. Hundreds of missile boats are now surrounding the USS Abraham Lincoln. The economic trigger. Iran has signaled its resolve to block the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most vital oil and cargo artery. V. The Monday forecast, the vertical recovery. As the global market opens on Monday, February 2nd, we are witnessing the perfect setup for a V-shaped moonshot. Gold target. Projected to breach $5,200 per ounce as the war premium and the Epstein political chaos drive investors into safety. Silver target. With industrial accumulation complete and the China ban in effect, silver is forecasted to rocket to $105 per ounce, XAG, USD. Production notes for The Real News Center. Segment. Visual representation. Opening. Elite theory. War zone. The chart.